Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make this beautiful design using nylon threads. We are using 3 different color thread here. First tie yellow thread like this. After this we are going to tie knots using red and green nylon thread here. So remove it like this and tie a knot around the yellow nylon thread like this, and look, it's done. Let's make this beautiful design. We are using 4 dark blue and 4 light blue threads here and start braiding it like this. Remove the thread, leaving 2 sides open like this, and start braiding like we are doing here. And look how we are doing here. Remove it from its backwards and you will get the beautiful design. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful design using pearl and nylon threads. So we are going to put the pearl between the threads and start tying a knot. Remove it through the loop like this and surround the pearl like we are doing here. And look, it's ready. You can make bracelets using this technique. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful design using beads and nylon thread. First, tie a yellow nylon thread and start tie a knot like this. After this, we are going to put this red bead. After this, put small black 5 beads at the center and cover the red bead like this and tie a knot. Similar way, we are going to put another red bead and cover the 5 beads of black color around it and repeat the same process. You will get this beautiful design. You can make more bracelets using this method. Let's make this beautiful design. We are using yellow and green nylon thread here. So first tie a knot using yellow thread and remove both the threads around it and tie a knot like this, and look, pull the strings outwards and it's done. We are going to make this design using yellow and white thread. So we are going to braid both of them together like this. Remove the white thread and similar way we are going to remove the yellow one. We are braiding it from its back direction for a neat look, and it's done. Let's make this flower design using beads and nylon thread. First tie a thread and then put a pink pearl at the center and cover it using these blue pearls and make a beautiful flower design. We're using 6 mini pearls here and tie a knot. So place it at the center using fingers and look, your flower is ready. Similar way we are going to tie 3 to 4 knots after this for the beautiful design like here, and then repeat the same process like this, and it's done. Let's make this beautiful design using beads and nylon thread. First tie a pink nylon thread and start tying knot using this yellow one. So put 2 pink beads on this yellow thread and tie it like we are doing here. After this, we are going to give it a beautiful design. So tie 5 to 6 knots after this according to the length, and look, it's done. Similar way you can repeat the process and make beautiful bracelets by this. Let's make this beautiful bracelet design. We are going to tie 2 blue nylon threads and tie knot at the starting of the bracelet. Then put 6 pearls on both the strings. We are using light blue pearls here. Now we are going to tie knot like this. So take one end of the thread and repeat the same process in zigzag manner. We are going to put the thread around the alternate beads like this, and similar way we are going to repeat the same process from other end as well. Finally, we are going to tie a knot. So put the thread on one finger and remove it like this and tie a knot and repeat the same process. Tie this knot and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.